Yes, hello. Good morning. So, uh, this is my lecture number 29 for the chapter number 1 probability, part 2 statistics, standard 12. In previous lecture, that is 28th lecture, we have completed second sum of 1.4. Overall, in this 1.4, we have completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 sums. Okay, in the previous lectures, that is 26, 27, 28, you can refer that lectures. Now I'll be doing with the sum number 7. Okay, let me read the question first. There are two gold coins and four silver coins in a box. The other box contains three gold and five silver coins. One coin is selected from the each box. Find the probability that one of the selected is gold and other is silver. So basically what I have to do, first of all, let's write the question. Exercise 1.4, sum number 7. There are two gold coins and four silver coins in box. In box 1, there are two gold and four silver. Then in next box, that is box 2, it is three gold, five silver. I have to select one coin from each box. What this means? You have to select one coin from each box. That means you have to select two coins, one from box 1 and one from box 2. What you have to find? You have to find the probability that one coin selected is gold and other is silver. Okay. Now think of the question. What is asked? There are two gold, four silver, three gold, five silver in two boxes. You have to select one coin from each box. One from box 1, one from box 2. You have to find the probability that one is gold and other is silver. That means from the two coins selected, you have to select two coins. From two coins selected, one should be gold and other should be silver. Now they have not told you that from which box there is gold and which box there is silver. So for you there are two possibilities. From box 1 you can select gold. From box 2 you can select silver, or from box 1 you can select silver and from box 2 you can select. Okay, from box 1 you can select gold, box 2 silver, box 1 silver and box 2 gold. Because you have to see, they have not mentioned you that from which box there should be gold and silver. They have mentioned you that one should be gold and other should be silver, so I have to consider both the possibilities. And in this also one is gold, other is silver, and in this also one is gold and other is silver. Now, as far as this possibility is concerned, that is box 1 gold and box 2 silver, if I am taking gold from the box 1, okay, so it is 2 by 6. It's 2 by 6. into into box 2 has a silver, so it will be 5 upon, or box 1 silver, it is 4 by 6, and box 2 gold, it's 2 by box 2 gold, so it is 3 by 8. It's very simple. You have to take gold from box 1, that is 2 by 6, and silver from box 2, 5 by 8, or you have to take silver from box 1, that is 4 by 6, and gold from box 2, that is 3 by 8. Now I have to solve this. 2 5s are 10, 10 by 8 6 are 48, plus 4 3s are 12, 8 6 are 48. My answer is 22 by 48, which can be 11 by 20. Okay, this can be 11 by 24. We have completed in the list of illustration 29th illustration in the previous lecture. So now we are doing illustration 30. Let me read the question first. A medicine is tested on a group of rabbits and mice to know its effect. It was observed that 7 rabbits shows the effect of medicine in a group of 10 rabbits who were given the medicine, and 5 mice shows the effect of medicine in a group of 9 mice who were given the medicine. Let's write the question. In total, there are 10 rabbits, of which 7 rabbits shows the effect of medicine. Seven rabbits shows the effect of medicine. 3 does not show. 3 doesn't show the effect. In a similar way, 5 mice out of 9 mice shows the effect. So in total, there are 9 mice. 5 shows the effect. This means 4 does not show the effect. So this is question. From 10 rabbits, a medicine is tested, of which 7 rabbits shows the effect of medicine, 3 does not shows the effect of medicine. Same medicine is tested on the 9 mice, of which 5 mice shows the effect of medicine and 4 does not show the effect of medicine. My question is that one animal is selected from each group. That means one rabbit is selected and a mice is selected. I have to find the probability that both the animal shows the effect. My first question is that both the animal shows the effect. Now, if both the animal shows the effect, what this actual means, both the animal shows the effect. Both the selected animal shows the effect. That means rabbit shows the effect and mice shows the effect. See, it is very simple. They are asking me that both the animal shows the effect. There are only two animals, right? Rabbit and mice. So rabbit will also show the effect and mice will also show the effect. If rabbit shows the effect, probability is 7 upon 10. And end one multiplication. Mice shows the effect. If mice shows the effect, the probability is 5 upon 9. Total there are 9 mice. So here answer will be 55 upon 90. If you'll apply the table of 5, it will be 7 upon. This is the answer of the both the animal shows the effect. You can see here the answer 7 upon 80. This is obviously an intersection because both are showing the effect, or else you can write the direct answer. Now, in the second question, one of the two selected animals. So I have one more question here. I have one more question here. That is question number 2. Both the selected, okay, this question we have done, both the selected shows the effect of medicine. Second, one of the two selected animals shows the effect of medicine, other does not show the effect of medicine. They are asking me that one animal shows the effect and other does not show the. This question is something like the previous one, that there should be one gold and one silver. Huh? Here they are telling me that one animal shows the effect and other does not show the effect. This makes two possibilities in my mind. One is this makes two possibilities clear in my mind. One is rabbit shows effect, mice does not show effect. Or rabbit does not show effect and mice shows the effect. Hmm. They've asked me that one animal should show the effect and other does not show the effect. This makes two possibilities. Rabbit shows the effect, mice does not, or vice versa. Rabbit does not show the effect and mice does show the effect. Now, if rabbit is showing the effect, see, my first possibility, rabbit is showing the effect. So, if rabbit shows the effect, it will be 7 upon 10. From 10 rabbits, 7 is showing the effect. So, it will be 7 will be 7 upon 10. And mice does not show the effect. From 9 mice, 5 shows the effect. That means 4 does not show the effect. So, it is 4 by 9. Or rabbit does not show the effect. From 10 rabbits, 7 shows the effect. That means 3 does not show the effect. 3 into 10. And mice shows the effect. That means 5 by 9. You can see from that chart that this shows the effect and this does not show the effect. So it is 28 upon 90 plus 15 upon 90, which gives 43 by, okay, this gives me 43 by 90. So my answer is 43 by 90. Let's come to the sum number 8. So let me read the question first. One joint family has three sons and two daughters, whereas the other joint family has two sons and four daughters. One joint family is selected from two joint families and a child selected from that. Find the probability that selected child is a girl. So there are two families. Let me write the question. In family 1, in family 1, there are three sons and two daughters. Three sons and two daughters. In family 2, there are two sons and four daughters. What is my question? That one family is selected from the two families and a child is selected from that family. So first of all, one family is selected and a child is selected. See, you have to notice the difference between this question and the previous question. In the previous question, the question was something like that. You have to select from both the given data. And you have to select both the animals, one rabbit, one mice. You have to select from both the that boxes, box one, box two. Here, you have to select only one from the two. That is from the family one or family two. You have to select only one family, either family one or either family two. And a child is selected, and from that you have to select one child. In short, your selection is only of one child, not from two child, that is one from family one, one from family two. No, you have to select only one child from both the families. And so first of all you have to select the family. If you are selecting suppose family one, then you have to select a child from family one. If you are selecting family two, you have to select child from family two. My probability is that, find the probability that child is a girl. Find probability that child is. So as I told you that you have to select one child from one family, and you have to find the probability that child is a girl. Suppose child is a girl from the first family, that is 2 by 5. Suppose child is from the second family, that is 4 by 6. Now, this 2 by 5 is that girl child is from the first family. But what is the guarantee that you are selecting first family? There are two families, so the selection of first family depends having a probability 1 by 2. See, 2 by 5 is the probability for selecting a daughter from the family 1. The probability of family 1 selected is 1 by 2, because there is two probabilities. First of all, you have to select family 1 by 2, 1 by 2. From that family, you have to select the daughter 2 by 5, or you can say 4 by 6. So this or represents plus, because both family won't be selected. Either one will selected, either two will selected. If family 2 is selected, then again there is a possibility 1 by 2. Okay, and the daughter is selected, so 4 by 6. This is a sum of double probability. Then I can write here, first is family 1 is selected, and a girl child is selected from family 1. This is my first possibility. This is my first possibility, that family 1 is selected and a girl child is selected from the family 1. See, family selected probability is 1 by 2 and a girl child is selected from a family 1 is 2 by 5. Or family 2 is selected and a girl child is selected from family. Now, this is your probability of this side. Family 2 is selected half and a girl child is selected from family 2 is 4 by 6. Now it's quite easy. You have to just solve this. It's 2 by 10 or it's 4 by 12. So if you apply the cross multiplication, it's 20, 12 to the 24 plus 40 divided by 120, which is 64 upon 120. Eight eights are 64 and 8 15s are 120. This should be our answer. This kind of sums are a bit tricky, so you have to make sure that you focus on these sums. On the same line, I have illustration number 31. A company produces a certain type of item and it's two different factories, A1 and A2, that is 60% and 40%. The proportionate of defectives in the production of these factories are 2% and 3% respectively. One item is selected after mixing the item produced in the two factories. Find the probability this item is defective. So let me write the question. Illustration 21. Total production from factory A is 60% and from factory B is 40%. Defective item from factory A is 2% and from factory B is 3%. My question is that one item is selected after mixing the item produced in the two factories. So what you have to do? You have to mix the items produced from the both the factories. That means you don't know which factory is selected. And you have to select the item. That means from both the factories, the item selected is only one. It can be from first factory or it can be from the second factory. But two items are not there. That you have to keep in mind. And you have to find that item is defective. Okay. So item should be defective. As I told you that you are selecting only one factory. So there are two possibilities. Factory A is there and item is defective, or item A is of factory B and is defective. Now see, if item is of factory A and item is defective, from factory A the probability of defective is 2%, that means 0.02. And factory A is there. What is probability of factory A coming? It is 0.6. You can see 60% is of factory A. So if factory A is there, 0.6 probability will be there and item is defective, which is 0.02. Or defective from factory B. So from factory B, probability is 0.03. And what is the probability that item is selected from factory B? It is 0. See this defective probability is given for uh, defective from factory A and factory B. What is probability factory A is selected is 0.6. So again it is just like the previous one. So it is 0.012 plus 0.012, which is 0.02. This will be your answer. 3 by 125 will obviously that's 0.024 only. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.